Look at what we have here.
Welcome as a car toy.
What you got there?
Domino Rally.
Domino Rally. Cool. All right, let's open it.
Okay. Wow!
Here's all the dominoes.
Oh, look.
All right, there's all the dominoes on the table. Is that a truck? Whoa.
Domo.
Putting a plane together? I don't think that's gonna fit. Yeah, stickers. There you go. That guy's smiling. All right, Cash. I think this is ready to set up. Here, watch. There we go. Set up for us.
It's setting up the dominoes. It's so cool. Yay!
Whoop.
Wow.
That's what it's gonna look like.
So we're gonna do all of them and then knock them all over at one time. Look at what we have here. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna touch that yellow domino. Whoa! Whoa, cool.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Wow! Yay!
Do it again.
You wanna do it again?
All right.
All right, set it up again. All right, Cass, see the plane at the end? We're hoping that flies off. Oh, there goes the ball.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, there goes the ball.
Oh my gosh.
Yay! So cool. One more time. See if this works. Oh, there we go.
That is so cool.
Now you're gonna hit this green one and the plane will fly off at the end. Boom! Go. Boom!
I is for iguana.
Iguana.
J is for jaguar.
Jaguar.
K is for kangaroo.
Kangaroo.